7th grade, in lesson 2-7, we're going to talk about one method of solving problems, and that is called guess and check. Alright? But the type of guess that we're going to make when we're guessing and checking is going to be an informed guess, or an educated guess, or a guess based on some information. We call that a conjecture. Okay? It's a guess based on information. In other words, it's we have to get some knowledge first, not just make a wild guess, a completely random guess, but make a guess based on some information, based on what the problem is telling us. So look at this example. Let's say that you bought some apps and some music, and you paid a total of $13. You know that the cost of each song is $1.25, and you know that the apps cost $1.75 each. How many of each did you buy? So, I have a box here, and this is going to be our table. What we'll do is set up a table to keep track of our guesses. So we know that apps cost $1.75, and music, or the songs, cost $1.25, and we know that we spent a total of $13. Okay? So when we make these guesses, we'll have to figure out how many of each, and then add them up and see if that equals our total. Okay? Now, by an informed guess, or a guess based on information, we know that we only spent $13. So would it make sense to guess, oh, let's say I must have bought like 20 apps and 20 songs. No, that's way over. Using estimation, that's way too many, right? Let's make an informed guess about, let's say, what? Let's try 3 apps. Right? So let's try 3 apps. How would we figure out how much money then we spend on the apps? Use a calculator, but you have to know what information or what to put into the calculator.
$1.75 times 3.
Good, $1.75 times 3 equals what? Tate? $5.25. Okay. So, how many songs might that equal? Well, how much do we have left to spend on songs? How would you figure out that? $7.75. How do you know? Okay, 13 minus 5.25. So if can we find a combination or figure out how many songs that would equal $7.75? So then take a guess. Nate?
How much what?
Oh, well, at least you admit it. You're going to guess the number of songs and see if that combination works.
Oh. 6?
Okay, let's try 6 songs. See if 6 songs equals, times 125. Does that equal 775?
No.
Figure it out.
Oh!
750. 6 times. Is that times?
Has to be, yep. times. Is that right? That's $7.50, so that doesn't work. So that combination of 3 apps and 6 songs does not work, right? We have to try another combination. So then, figure out another combination. Tyler?
3 apps and 2 songs. I know it's
3 apps would be 525. 2 songs, 2 times 125 would equal what?
150.
Yeah, is that enough? Nope, that wouldn't work, would it?
I did it my own, and then I did 4, and then then I thought that each app was 350. So.
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't get the.
Peter.
7 apps and 2 songs.
7 apps. So 7 times.
No, not 7. It's 6. 6 apps.
Oh, try 6 apps?
No!
Nate, sit down.
They wanted the answer. And 2 songs.
6 times 175. What does that equal? Peter.
1050.
1050.
Then 2 songs.
And 2 times 125
Yeah.
is
250.
250. Does that equal 13?
Yeah.
Ah, we found it. Okay.
That was my joy for other people.
I believe you.
Actually, I gave
I
that.
said it.
Okay. So by keeping track of our guesses, guessing and checking, making an organized or an educated guess based on the information, you can make a guess and then figure out how close you are and then make some adjustments. Okay? That's what guessing and checking to solve problems is all about.